What's going on, guys? Today we have this Dyno Detour from the 80s. It's got some cool yellow canine brakes on it, as well as on the front, with a classic dyno fork. These are very hard to find. From there we go to the Skyway mag wheels with the Haro tires, and they have orange dice valve cap. We have the Odyssey sprocket, drain pipe seat post, SE seat, yellow salt pedals, yellow KMC chain, Haro fusion clamp, GT Power Series cranks, 1-inch gyro, American bottom bracket, pretzel bars with the matching K9 brake levers, Primo grips, Odyssey bar ends, GT mallet stem. So let's start the build. Stay tuned.
To make you sleep with me. You are an obsession, you're my obsession. Who do you want me to be? To make you sleep with me. You are an obsession, you're my obsession. Who do you want me to be? To make you sleep with me. You are an obsession, you're my obsession. Who do you want me to be? To make you sleep with me.
Alright, welcome back, guys. Here we have this Dyno Detour from the 80s. Let's go through some of the parts with you. First of all, we have the Odyssey bar ends, Primo grips, Odyssey K9 levers, pretzel bars with the gyro, GT piston stem, show you some of the graphics. We have the K9 brakes, Haro tires, we have the Skyway mag wheels with the famous dyno fork, the valve dice cap, yellow salt pedals, GT cranks, Odyssey sprocket, yellow KMC chain. We have a Haro fusion clamp, GT seat post with an SC bike seat, and then we have the K9 brake on the rear, Skyway mag with a Haro tire. So let us know what you think of this dyno. Have you ridden a dyno in the past, in the 80s or 90s? Comment below. And thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.